Hello friend. Welcome back to EventramPlace, your go-to destination for all things event planning. Whether you're an aspiring event planner or just looking to host the perfect gathering, you've come to the right place. Whether you're organizing a wedding party, a corporate conference, or a community fundraiser, this video will provide you with the essential knowledge and tips to kickstart your event planning journey. Let's dive in. Every successful event starts with a strong foundation. Let's begin by understanding the basics of event planning. The first step is to define your event's purpose, audience, and goals. Is it a wedding, a product launch, or a charity gala? Knowing your event's purpose will guide your planning process. Next, establish a budget. This will help you allocate resources wisely and prevent overspending. Remember to consider venue costs, catering, entertainment, and marketing expenses. Develop a detailed timeline that outlines key milestones from start to finish. This will keep you on track and ensure everything runs smoothly. Now that you've got the basics down, let's move on to one of the most crucial decisions in event planning: selecting the right venue. Start by listing your event's specific needs, such as capacity, location, and technical requirements. This will help you narrow down your options. Don't forget to visit potential venues in person. This will give you a better sense of the space and help you visualize how your event will unfold. Once you've found the perfect venue, negotiate the terms and sign a contract. Make sure you understand all the details, including cancellation policies and payment schedules. With the venue secured, it's time to assemble your event dream team. Let's explore the world of vendors and services. Select a catering service that aligns with your event's theme and dietary preferences. Don't forget to plan for special dietary requirements. Whether it's a DJ, a live band, or a magician, entertainment is key to keeping your guests engaged and entertained. Create a visually appealing atmosphere with decorations and design elements that match your event's theme and message. Your event is taking shape, but now you need attendees. Let's explore marketing and promotion strategies. Utilize social media, email marketing, and a dedicated website to spread the word about your event. Engage with your audience and build excitement. Don't underestimate the power of traditional marketing methods like flyers, posters, and local advertising. Implement an easy and efficient ticketing or registration system. Make sure attendees can easily purchase tickets or RSVP. The big day has arrived. Let's cover some event day essentials to ensure everything runs smoothly. Assign roles and responsibilities to your event staff. Monitor all the work jobs. Having a well-organized team is crucial for a successful event. Prepare for the unexpected with an emergency plan. Ensure everyone knows what to do in case of accidents or unforeseen circumstances. Finally, remember to enjoy the moment. Your hard work has paid off, and it's time to celebrate the success of your event. Hopefully you learned the basics of event planning from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Best of luck, and happy event planning.